Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. This is a new tricks that's just come out for this Zoom soccer. So this tricks, I just tried it for the first time and it came up like this. Can you believe that this is 10,000 odds? This is 10,000 odds. As you can see it up here, you can see it's 10,000 odds. And I just play, you can see the amount I played here, and thing come out like 800 and something thousand with this small amount here. Not even up to 100 naira because it's a 10,000 odds. Then let me show you the reason why this ticket lost is because of this. Let me show you down. You can see the ones that enter. This option is working perfectly. Just only thing you need to know is this. Let me show you the one that lost the ticket. You can see this one that lost the ticket. You see this one that lost the ticket. You can see it. See the one that lost the ticket. See it. See, this is the last one. See, only three games lost this ticket, and this is 10,000 odds. 10,500 and something odds is this, and I played that amount. See, just see it now. See, 1, 2, 3. That's all that lost the ticket. This 10,500 and something odds. And with this small amount that I played, it's not even up to 100 naira. The potential winning is 800 and something thousand. So I would have used just 50 naira to win 800 and something thousand. It's just 15 naira, not even up to 100 naira. So imagine this counting, assuming this counting came, or you use 1,000 to take this. So the reason why this loss is because this particular one that lost it I've already played in another league. It played in another league. For example, see this one I play on Liga. They play draw here on Liga. So this one play on the same Liga. You can see it. This one play on this place. This Bayern Munich Dortmund. Due to both of them, this 1.85 odds have already played in another league. We can play on England or another place or this League One. Yeah, it's Portugal, maybe something like that. I play on another league. Then because he play on another league, that's why he caught this one. So this particular option, it comes with 1.8 something, 1.8 something. If you can see, there's not, or 1.9 something, there's nothing consigned 1.70 something or 1.50 something. Always came with 1.8 something or 1.9 something. You can see it. You see it. And when you gather them like this, you grab a very big odds. So what you always do is make sure all the times rhyme together. For example, before you want to play this, make sure starting from England to Liga, all the whole leagues, their time rhyme together. If you want to get it right, what you do is, for example, England, their time start from 1 o'clock. Then the second league start from 1:05. That is 5 minutes after 1. Then another league is 1:15. Then another league 1:25. Another league 1:35. Another league 1:45. Just like that. Make sure all the time rhyme together. But if you check all the whole league that moment you want to play it and see, for England you are seeing 1 o'clock. Then you come to Liga, you are seeing 2:30 or 2 o'clock. And you check another league again, you see, now see maybe 2:35. That means time is not rhyme. Some games have already started, and if you don't know all this, you will see that maybe any odd playing this moment is a repeat odd. That is when you are going to fail this. That is what happened to this particular option, this particular ticket. If not, 800 and something thousand would have been won with just 15 naira, not even 100 naira. 100 naira is 1.6 million. That's what came out with 100 naira. But I've been watching the trees for long. So now I didn't check the time if they are rhyme for the first time. So I just play. That's why you see me stake it little. I didn't stake big on it. So because I already know that I didn't follow up with the time. That's why I have to stake it little. So assuming I follow up with the time, I would have stake like if the potential winning will be allowed, I will stake high because there's limits to stake high on Zoom Soccer. I think it's more. I think it's 20 million is the highest potential winning for Zoom Soccer. That is the highest amount. So you can't win more than that unless you stake it different tickets. But for you to stake higher more than that on one ticket, you can't do that on Zoom Soccer. So I would have stake more than that, but I know I didn't follow up with the time. That's why I have to stake little. Upon that, it was only 3 games that got it. So this option is it's just, as you can see, this is DC and over and under goals. Call it a chance miss. This is the best option I'm preferring for you guys to play. But if you don't know how to get the option or you want me to show you more about this, you chat to me on WhatsApp on 07036760527, or you want to get another new tricks on draw or go option, you chat to me on WhatsApp. That one is not much. The tricks is not that expensive. That one can give you with small money. I can teach you the tricks of that one. So you can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Alright, this is Correct Bet. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that I don't miss my new video anytime I post them here. Alright, this is Correct Bet. See you on the next video.